Hello students, in this list we are considering the question of May 2025 analysis and approaches high-level paper 1 questions, and now in this video we're going to consider question number 6. So this question related to the vectors, and I like this topic. I hope you also like this topic. If you don't like this topic, I hope after considering this video you will like this topic. Okay, so now let's read the question carefully. This is a 6 marks total. The line L1 has vector equation. So again, line L1 has vector equation, so we can convert this line into more convenient form. Yeah, we can say that L1 is equal to R, then it's what it is, a three-dimensional case. Yeah, so it is 4, there is no J, 0 and K negative ones, then plus, we will write this way, plus lambda, then 0, A and 1, right? So that's how our L1 looks like. Now L2, line 2, the similar way, absolutely the similar way. So let's consider this. It's 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0 and negative b. Okay, and then the mu here, mu, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you will get, that's how you will get the 1 mark. Yeah, not bad. So now it says that lines L1 and L2 perpendicular and intersect at unique point. Yeah, find the value A and B. So it says intersect and perpendicular. What does mean perpendicular? So if L1 perpendicular to L2, it means that they are scalar products. So the scalar products of the direction vectors O0A1 times scalarly dot product, yeah, 1, 2, 3 is equal to 0. Yeah, that's how we will get the equation of 2a plus 3 times 1. So it is looks like this. Yeah, I hope you know how to multiply. Yeah, so this is a 2a plus 3. Okay, so that's how we get the first equation. The second equation, it says that it is intersection at unique point. So it means that we have two lines L1, L2, have the point of intersection. It means that it is common point x, y, and z. So we can convert the first equation into the parametric form. So 4 plus 0 lambda, then y is equal to 0 plus lambda times a. So I'm just following the row by row in the L1, right? So and z is equal to negative 1 plus lambda. So after simplification we can say that x is equal to 4, y is equal to a lambda, and z is equal to minus 1 plus lambda. Okay, now let's turn to the second line. So we have x is equal to 1 plus mu, then y is equal to 2 mu, and z is equal to minus b plus 3 mu. Okay, and now it says that intersects at one unique point. It means that they have the same coordinates of x. So we can equate these two equations. So we are equating these two equations. We can equate these two equations. We are equating the last two equations. Okay, so let's do that. So it's 4 is equal to 1 plus mu, and a lambda is equal to 2 mu, and minus 1 plus lambda equal to minus b plus 3 mu. Okay, now we have to think what we can do here. From the first equation we can say that mu is equal to 3, right? By solving this equation we can get mu is equal to 3, and then straightforward we can put the mu in our next two equations. So we can say that a lambda is equal to 2 times 3, and 1 minus lambda is equal to minus b plus 3 times 3. Okay, and now after simplification, what we will have? We have a lambda is equal to 6, and minus 1 plus lambda is equal to minus b plus 9. Okay, so now we have 3 unknowns. How to get one unknown? For sure, from this equation, probably some of you just asked why we not found a. Yeah, it's good time now to find a. So let's find a. So finding a, we will have what? We will have a is equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, and now we are going to plug this a here to find b, right? So minus 3 over 2 lambda is equal to 6. That's how we'll get the lambda. Lambda is equal to 6 multiplied by negative 2 over 3. It is equals to negative 4. Yeah, negative 4. Lambda is equal to negative 4. And now the final step, guys. Final step. So now we can find b. So now let's put everything here. Everything that we found by this moment plus 9. Then it is fantastic. simply fantastic equation. Plus 5 minus 5, it is plus 5, it is 14, right? 14. So b value is equal to 14. So we have found a value and b value. So let's read the question. What's asked to find? Find the value of a and b. We found a value a and b. So that's how 6 marks distributes, and this whole 6 marks is yours. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe in my other social media accounts. See you in the next video. Goodbye.